Congratulations on surviving your first winter as a new homeowner, but now it is time to shift your focus to the critical spring maintenance your house needs. In Virginia, the humidity and heavy spring rains can quickly turn a small issue into a massive repair bill if you aren't paying close attention. The first thing you must do is clear your gutters and ensure your downspouts are pointing at least 5 feet away from your home's foundation. You should also schedule a professional service for your air conditioning unit now, so it doesn't fail you on the first 90-degree day of the summer. Walk around the exterior of your home and look for any wood rot or gaps in the caulking around your windows that could let moisture and pests inside. Check your attic for any signs of leaks from winter snow and verify that your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors have fresh batteries. Taking care of these small tasks now protects the value of your property and ensures that your home remains a safe and stable investment for your family. If you need a recommendation for a local Virginia contractor or have questions about your home's value, call me Duane Buziak at Coast to Coast Mortgage Lending.